business. And so I started writing the newsletter. So, started writing it. I said, hey, I'm thinking about creating this membership. It's going to have the weekly template. I said, oh, and Jono, I was just making this up as I'm writing. I said, oh, yeah, I'm going to do a monthly Q&A. And oh yeah, I'm going to have guest experts once a quarter. I'm just making it up. I'm like, this sounds good. And then I got to, okay, how much am I going to charge, right? What is that price? And I honestly, and y'all got to know your numbers. I went back to my numbers. I went to, what are people purchasing right now? What is my least expensive product? What is my value ladder? And I thought, I don't have the number of customers that I want. I want as many people in on this as possible. Number one, because the percentage of customers is a very important metric in your business. And number two, I really believe in my ability to help people with email. So I thought, okay, well, my cheapest product right now is $22. It's a tripwire, and I know it's going to help people, but the percentage of people that were purchasing it was like 3 to 5% over the span of the last 6 months. And while that's pretty average, if you Google me, you'll see I don't like average. I've been on the podcast 3 times, I don't accept just once. And so I thought, well,